Hello, my name is Mark Sarine, President of Flame Treating Systems. I'm here to introduce you to our latest flame hardening machine that we just completed. It's a machine that we're very proud of. It's one that we feel like it's the best machine that we've ever built so far in the last, 40 plus years that we've been in business. So it's a gear tooth at a time flame hardening machine. It heat treats, flame hardens one tooth and then indexes to the next tooth and indexes to the next tooth till the gear is completely flame hardened. The advantage of doing a tooth at a time flame hardening system is that you minimize your distortion because you minimize the quantity of heat that you're putting into the gear at one time, so the distortion is a lot less. What we have on this machine that is more advanced than the things that we've done in the past is we actually have a mass flow controller for our fuel and oxygen. So basically all the operator needs to do is punch in the quantity of flow of the fuel and oxygen that he needs, and it automatically sets it. And then not only sets it, but it also maintains that flow. We also have electronic pressure flow transducers on this machine, so the pressures of the fuel and oxygen are maintained. And of course we have the pyrometers that are measuring the temperature of the part as it's being heated. Added up, this machine has really become virtually a walk-away machine, where the operator, all he has to do is load the part, set the tooth. He basically sets the tooth by using a device that once the tooth is set, then it will always index as it goes around to the exact next tooth every time. And then you also can set the number of teeth. The thing about this machine is that you can set how many teeth that you're actually going to flame harden, and it will automatically calculate the angle that it needs to use in order to go to every single teeth. And then at the last tooth it will shut off automatically. We also have on this machine safeties and ways to, when any of these parameters for any reason go out of bounds of where it needs to be, we'll let you know with an alarm, and we can actually even shut the machine down if it's not maintained at the level it needs to be maintained at. And in this case, this machine is set up for fairly easy load and unload. The arm comes out, you load the gear, and then you put the gear back in, and after you put the gear back in, you set the tooth. We also have on this machine, which is very critical in the flame hardening process, to maintain the temperature of the quench. In this case, for example, if you're using a 4140 material and you're very crack sensitive, you need to make sure that the temperature of the quench stays the same and that it doesn't go too hot, as obviously this one would do after doing all the teeth on these gears. Now this machine here, the way we've got this machine set up is it actually can do two gears at one time. This machine could also be set up to just do one gear at a time, and it could also be set up to do gears in a progressive manner. The way that we have this machine set up is we're doing it in a tooth at a time to heat and then quench, heat and then quench. But that's because this particular gear is a 6-pitch gear. You start to get into your bigger pitch gears, we can actually set this machine up to do it progressively too. So this is a very versatile gear flame hardening machine that would really be able to be used for just about any kind of gear. Very affordable as a flame hardening machine. And so if you have any questions, or if you want to talk about this machine or any other of our machines, be sure to contact us at Flame Treating Systems. Thank you very much.